In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find currently trending meme coins that can help you make money at least minimum of 2x and maximum of 10x and above, even a 100x. So the steps are pretty much easy. I'm going to show you guys in this video. But the first step is to click on this playlist. I say filters. I'm going to tap on all platforms. I'm going to tap on Solana. I'm going to tap on save. So I'll tap on apply. So I should know that we're looking for currently trending meme coins because meme coins that are currently trending are the ones that is going to put us money. I believe you understand that. So what I'll be doing with this body that's really trending, I'm going to tap on 1 hour. This is because when I'm looking for currently trending coin and trending for the past 1 hour till now. And the reason I'm targeting 1 hour is that a coin I've been trending for 1 hour till now. I believe those particular coin might have locked their liquidity, get have done kind of promotion. Understand? So on this place, this 1 hour, I'm going to click on this button. It's going to show me the coin that's currently having volume or the most volume, the most transaction in the last 1 hour, and we can see few of them. Right? These are basically the top three coins that are currently trending. So what you need to do is simply open up the tab. And guys, before we go further, I would like to say that you should please do it to like this video, and if you are new, do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So, and also any of the coins that I'm going to analyze in this video, I don't recommend you should buy these coins because by the time you get to see this video, these coins might have get it on their peak and they might have dumped. You get so just I want you to learn and so that you can apply this method in your own looking for coins. You get to get more coins, you can tap on this 5 minutes button too. You're going to see more coins that's currently trending in the past 5 minutes. I don't know why it's still showing these coins when I specifically put in Solana. So you just look at the Solana coins and open them up in a new tab. So after putting them up in a new tab, we're going to look them out and see if they are good for us to trade. So this is practically the first one, right? Market cap is 133k, and in the 5 minutes, about 22 transactions. Basically, I love this particular one for the fact that it is still pretty much a new coin. So if you check, it was created 13 hours ago, not up to 24 hours. So if I click on the year full screen, you're going to see that it's still pretty much the highest. Let me see. Let's put this 15 minutes time frame. I like checking to know the highest that it's going as well. As you can see, the highest it has gone to is about 180k market cap. So it still has a long way to go. So what I'll be doing is very simple. We just really look for ways to buy into this particular coin. You get so because the coin is still very much new and still currently trending. You get so to buy into this particular coin is will be pretty much easy for me. All I need to do is to wait for retracement. Let me put this 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, 5 minutes went to 180k. This is basically kind of the down, kind of because um went to this particular level is about 180k. Went as deep to as about 21k. Currently, it's at this particular level 129. So I can potentially buy at this place, wait for it to get to 100k market cap and buy. Or for those of us who have money, you can do this A. You can buy at this particular level. If it goes down, you buy again and get, and once it pump. The reason why I will also be buying 100k market cap because 100k market cap is an old number. The 100k market cap old number is an even number, right? Yet is a psychological support zone. 200k market cap, 100k market cap. Again, these are numbers that you should look to buy and take profit from. So buying at 100k market cap is actually really very good. It is actually very good. Get so that is basically what I'll be doing for this particular one. Get not much work. Then for this other one too, the last 5 minutes, just 10 transactions. I might hold off get before buying this particular one and see. Just ensure that you don't buy at the top. That is the most important thing because if you buy at the top and you get top, you're going to lose money. And right now, this seems like this is like a top for this particular coin, like 160k market cap. So just the same way, you just have to wait for pullback. Don't use the fear of missing out buy at the top. It is not good. Get so pull back to this particular support. If you buy this place, 100k market cap to it is very good. So 100k market cap to 115k market cap is like let's say 40% get up to 40%. It's a much better you make 40% profit than losing 40% on your portfolio. So it will surely retraces. Once you retrace, you buy, you get. And this also a new token too. I guess I put it much early. Next time, if you decide to promote the coin, because you can see there's no much transaction in here. That's why I want you to wait for what for pullback you get. Because you buy at this place, they set to dump on you, you're going to lose your money. Yet there's no certainty that this can still going to go up yet, but ensure you buy at down to reduce what. Okay, this will be okay. This particular one have active trades too. So I'm just the best coin for you to trade is actually the one that is currently active, like the one that people are currently interested in. That's the best one to trade. I think this. So a checking. Sorry, I might be too fast, but I'm just trying to see. There are people actually buying these coins. You can see actually buying this coin at the moment. So this might actually be a very good one to get into. Who are actively buying this particular one? Prefer to buy this than to trade this because they are not active trades in this particular one. Just dump it, get. But this one, they are active trades. So if you want to buy this to a similar, you can buy at 200k market cap, close to 200k market cap. Right. So you just have to look for the best possible place for you to buy so that even if there is deep, you get you will not lose much from it. You just go to 200k market cap, people will be looking to take profit. You get except to buy at this place or you buy at this place just your own. But the whole idea is that you will be able to look for a good coin to buy yet. So that's just it. And this other one too. Okay, this is not a good one for you to buy. As you can see, liquidity is not locked yet. So, and also you can see the way the chart is very much different from the other chart. Let me put it in 1 second and see. Yeah, see the chart is just going up, like going up, going up. This means that people they are pumping this particular coin. If you check the other chart, if I check this particular one, I put it in 1 second or so, something like this. I'm going to see that there is active trade. You can see the chart is not going up or straight. What you are saying is that price goes up, down, goes up, goes up, goes up, down. This is that are we traders, that we buyers in this particular coin. Like people buying this particular coin. For this particular one, you're just seeing it's going up. This means that they are pumping it. It's scam. You should not buy. You get it. You should not buy. You can see that they buy and sell at very instant. Buy the same amount and sell it. Do not buy this particular coin. If you do that, you're going to lose money doing so. You get if you want to buy or trade this coin at all, wait for them to lock the liquidity. But this is potentially a raw coin. So I don't recommend you trade this particular coin. You get so let's check the last one too. This first one, okay, let me put this in 1 second and see which chart is similar to the previous one. Because if it is, it simply means that you can see what I'm talking about. This also is scam coin. You observe that then you can see it went. Let me just put this in 1 minute because this is moving. You can see that this coin, sorry, you can see that it went up this place and it sold. Get it still went up to this place and it sold. So these are just people like probably the dev. They were trying to pump the coin. Liquidity is partially locked, not fully locked, which is very bad. And if you check, you see that it's the same wallet buying and selling. 3 million transactions. You can see transactions. The same wallet put just buying and selling. You get 11 transactions, 10. So I use multiple wallets to buy and sell at the same time to get volumes. You get to get volumes to attract people. And when you buy this coin, if you're a newbie, you will lose your money. So the ones from these particular ones, the ones I recommend that potentially you can buy. And note, I don't say you should buy this particular coin. Just like I said, I think you can get to see this video. This coin might have died. This one look like what is dead already. You can see there's no volume, no transactions, nobody talking about the coin. You can check Twitter. Nobody talking about this coin. Know that this coin is dead already. It might still pick up, but we don't know. But potentially you can see right there, no transactions. So this might not be a very good one. So this you can start it, you can put it in your watch list, and probably if volume start coming to the coin, you can trade it, but it's not a good for trading currently. I won't trade this. Then this other one is actually very good for me to trade because you can see they are active trades. Actually, people buying and selling this particular one. So this most likely will be the one that I'm going to trade if at all I'll be trading. As you can see, it is close to our where we mark that we're going to introduce 100k market cap. That is very much close, meaning that we can enter this particular place, take profit at 200k market cap or 180 market or 180k market cap, which is like 100% or 2x. And for this particular one, it's also probably a very good one that we can trade. Let's see, because there are active people buying and selling this particular coin. There are active sellers and active buyers in this particular one. But this is a well, we don't have to trade this. This is a well, we don't have to trade it. So guys, this is for this video. If you find it helpful, please do it to leave a like. And if you are new, subscribe on the bell icon for more awesome videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.